So guys, ito yung libingan ni Bayani Fernando, dating mayor ng Marikina. Punta lang natin guys. Natin, may na fish pond. Dito lang siya. Ayan. Daming kandila at halaman. Bayani Fernando, Mayor, City of Marikina. Chairperson, Metro Manila Development Authority, Secretary Department of Public Works and Highways. Galing. Representative, 1st District, City of Marikina. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kanyang libingan. Ang mga upuan dito. Munting basura, ibulsa muna. Marikina, bayan ng mabubuting ugali, bayan ng mabubuting tao. Sidewalks are for people. Tapat mo, linis mo. The city is the classroom. I prefer to be remembered as a builder of character than a builder of infrastructure. Pag wala kang garahe, huwag kang bibili ng kotse. Make sure every man has his orders. Every man must have his orders. Political will and solution sa kaguluhan at kahirapan, disiplina ang tulay sa magandang buhay. So yun guys. Alis na tayo guys. Kasi bumisita lang kami dito sa puntod ng lolo ko at tito ko. Ayan. Malapit lang kasi. Dito lang. Diyan lang kami sa may sasakyan. Ayan. Diyan yung binibisita naming puntod. Yan lang. Sa may sasakyan lang.